Snake leather is one of the most exclusive materials in luxury fashion. Every piece is unique, shaped by nature, and crafted through a long, complex process few ever get to see. Inside specialized breeding facilities, snakes are raised in carefully controlled environments. Temperature, humidity, and lighting are monitored every day to ensure healthy development. Here, female snakes lay their eggs in calm, stress-free enclosures. Each clutch is handled with extreme care because this early stage determines the quality of the future leather. Workers carefully collect the eggs and place them in soft, padded trays. Every egg is labeled and recorded, ensuring full traceability from the very beginning of the leather's journey. The eggs are moved into temperature-controlled incubators where machines maintain perfect conditions. Even a small fluctuation can affect scale formation later in the snake's life. In the warm glow of the incubator, the eggs slowly develop. Tiny movements inside reveal the early formation of the animal and the potential of the leather it will one day become. Technicians continuously adjust humidity and temperature, keeping the incubators stable. Precision at this stage is essential for high survival rates and consistent leather quality. As the eggs begin to crack, newborn snakes slowly emerge. This delicate moment marks the start of their development, and farms monitor it closely to ensure healthy early growth. Hatchlings are placed into warm terrariums designed to mimic natural habitats. Clean substrate, fresh water, and stable heat help them adapt safely during their first fragile days. The first shed gives farmers valuable information. Clear, symmetrical patterns indicate that the snake will grow strong, with scales suitable for high-quality leather later on. Automated systems deliver carefully measured food portions to the young snakes. Proper nutrition is essential for healthy growth and influences the clarity of future scale patterns. As the snakes grow, they are moved to larger enclosures. These controlled environments reduce stress and prevent injuries, two major factors that can damage the final leather. At this stage, the snake's natural pattern becomes more defined. Farmers monitor color, symmetry, and texture because these factors determine the grade of the leather later on. Workers measure each snake's length, weight, and scale width. These data points help classify the animal and predict how much usable leather it will produce when fully grown. When the snakes reach maturity, they enter the selection phase. Here, trained staff assess their condition with strict guidelines, preparing them for the next step in the process. Each snake is graded based on scale alignment, pattern clarity, and overall size. Premium grades are rare, requiring near-perfect symmetry and flawless belly scales. Once graded, the snakes are placed into labeled crates. This ensures traceability throughout the entire production chain, from farm to tannery, and eventually to final goods. In sterile processing rooms, workers use specialized tools to handle each animal safely and efficiently. Only clean, controlled techniques are used to preserve the quality of the skin. After processing, the skins are washed thoroughly to remove impurities. Water temperature, flow, and handling all influence how clean and intact the scales remain. The skins are then preserved using thick layers of salt. This ancient technique stabilizes the material, preventing decay while keeping the structure of the scales intact. Salted skins are shipped to industrial tanneries where the transformation begins. Here, modern machines and trained technicians handle the next, most critical steps. Skins are sorted by size, thickness, and pattern. Digital scanners and measuring tools help classify them precisely, ensuring that each piece is matched to the right treatment process. Bundles are tagged and organized before tanning. Clear labeling and careful stacking guarantee that every skin follows the correct preparation line without mix-ups. In giant rotating drums, the skins are soaked in tanning solutions that strengthen their fibers. This stage gives snake leather its durability, flexibility, and resistance to aging. Once the tanning cycle is complete, the wet skins are removed and pass through rollers that remove excess water. This prepares them for the controlled drying phase. The skins travel slowly through heated drying tunnels. Warm air circulates around them, gradually removing moisture while preserving the natural pattern of each scale. Tannery workers mix vibrant dyes tailored to each client's request. Color matching is precise, ensuring the leather meets strict fashion industry standards. During the dyeing stage, skins absorb color in layers. Multiple dips and careful timing are needed to achieve a rich, even tone without damaging the delicate scales. Finishing machines apply protective coatings that enhance shine or create matte textures. Each skin is polished by hand, revealing its natural depth and luxury feel. In workshops, designers trace precise patterns onto the finished leather. Each cut must follow the natural flow of the scales to maximize beauty and minimize waste. Skilled artisans sew wallets, bags, watch straps, and accessories. Every stitch is measured and aligned, a blend of craftsmanship and modern precision. The final products showcase the entire journey, from living animal to refined luxury item. Each piece represents countless hours of care, craftsmanship, and transformation.